move that much once it's on the ground. Surprisingly. It's pretty fun once you get down there.
Put the kids in there and like worry about that.
You just look at the bubbles coming up here.
Wow.
It's got a smell to it, that's for sure.
It's like a Dove commercial or something.
Yeah, awesome.
There's the barrel's about gone.
It's deeper than 3 feet, man.
In the center it is, yeah.
Well, it works.
I'd say it might work.